Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing the top 5 most efficiently mineable cryptocurrencies in 2023. To start, let's explain what crypto mining is. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network and adding them to the blockchain ledger. This process is done through the use of a specialized computer hardware called mining rigs. These rigs run complex algorithms to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, and it is also the most efficiently mineable. It is currently the most valuable cryptocurrency on the market, and it offers a steady return for miners. Bitcoin is a good cryptocurrency to mine for several reasons. Firstly, it has a high demand, as it is the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency, which means that there is a high demand for it. Miners who successfully validate transactions on the Bitcoin network will be rewarded with Bitcoin. Additionally, the limited supply of Bitcoin, with only 21 million coins in existence, makes it valuable and helps to ensure that the value of the coins mined will likely increase over time. Bitcoin is also decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or institution. Bitcoin's network is highly secure, making it difficult for hackers to steal coins or disrupt the network, which helps protect miners. Lastly, mining for Bitcoin can be highly profitable for those who invest in powerful mining equipment and have access to cheap electricity. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is the second most efficiently mineable cryptocurrency. It is also one of the most widely used coins, and it offers a good return for miners. Ethereum is a good cryptocurrency to mine for several reasons. Firstly, it has a large and active community, which helps to ensure the long-term stability and growth of the network. Additionally, Ethereum is a highly versatile blockchain platform, with the ability to host a wide range of decentralized applications and smart contracts. This allows for a wide range of use cases and potential for growth. Furthermore, Ethereum is planning to transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which will make mining more energy efficient and accessible for more people. Lastly, Ethereum has a relatively high block reward, which can make it more profitable for miners compared to other cryptocurrencies. Number 4. Monero. Monero is a good cryptocurrency to mine for several reasons. Firstly, Monero is built on the CryptoNight algorithm, which is specifically designed to be resistant to ASIC mining, making it more accessible for individuals and small groups to mine. Additionally, Monero prioritizes privacy and security, using ring signatures and stealth addresses to protect the identity of users and their transactions. Furthermore, Monero's block reward is not subject to a halving schedule, which means that miners can expect a more consistent reward over time. Lastly, Monero has a large and active community, which helps to ensure the long-term stability and growth of the network. Number 5. Dash. Dash is a very underrated cryptocurrency to mine. Firstly, Dash uses the X11 algorithm, which is designed to be ASIC resistant, making it more accessible for individuals and small groups to mine. Additionally, Dash's two-tier network structure, consisting of master nodes and regular nodes, allows for advanced features such as instant transactions, governance, and budgeting. This can make it an attractive option for users looking for advanced functionalities. Furthermore, Dash's block reward is not subject to a halving schedule, which means that miners can expect a more consistent reward over time, just like in Monero. In conclusion, the top 5 most efficiently mineable cryptocurrencies of 2023 are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and Dash. As always, it is important to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of cryptocurrency.